What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean Smith. You watching Sean's TV, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the grind gang. Also, hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. And yes, your boy is driving with no seatbelt on. Oh well. But man, as y'all can see, I'm driving, and I'm driving something new. Man, it's dirty as heck, bro. Let's see if y'all can see back there. Bro, I literally just picked this car up from Facebook Marketplace, bro, for $1,000. Let me say that again. $1,000. I just stole this thing, bro, for $1,000. I'm not going to lie. It does need some work. I don't even know if y'all can hear it. It needs brakes bad than a mug. On the Facebook ad, it said it may need to be towed because the brakes are so bad. Now, they're not that bad, but you know, different people don't know much about cars. To them, it was horrible. I've driven way worse cars with worse brakes. Let me put my seatbelt on, man. But yeah, so I literally just got this car, and we rolling back. She was actually like 10 minutes away from my house, and then I'm taking it to the lot because it does need to be cleaned up, and it is like a fixer-upper though. First of all, let me tell y'all, but look, it has 184,000 miles, no check engine lights, nothing really crazy. And also, this is a Kia Optima, and she did the recall on the engine, so she got a brand new engine put in 2024. So it has way less miles than 184,000 on the engine anyway. Now it does have a dent in the bumper, and the driver's side tail light is broken. So I gotta either get a tail light or not. I don't know what all I'm gonna do to it, because this is, like I said, I just got it. Like, I was eating lunch with my family, and then my homeboy called me like, "Hey, you seen this on Facebook Marketplace? Bro, she want $1,200. So I'm like, what? Send me the address. Let's go." So, hey, man, sent the address. I pulled right up. Deals like that, you cannot, you can't sleep on, bro, because somebody, I bought this car in less than 10 minutes of her ad. So her ad was up. No, it said her ad was up for 13 minutes when I was pulling off from buying this car. It's hard to catch them because guys like me that will stop whatever they're doing and get there. So, yeah, it'd be hard to catch these type of deals, but they're out there though. They're out there. It's not as frequent as they used to be, because I used to do this all the time. Now, this is now kind of like once in a blue moon. But, you know, hey, we got it. So, yeah, man, we riding back. It drives smooth. Bro, this thing drives so smooth. It's crazy. The AC blows ice cold. Like I said, no engine lights. It has a ding on the door, which is not too crazy. Like I said, the broken tail light and the brakes is the worst part about this car. Does need like a little bit of front end work, but it's not terrible. I thought it was going to be worse than what it was. I think when I was driving on that road was real bumpy, so I could kind of feel a lot of it. But as I've been driving it like on the regular roads on the freeway, it's been driving smooth. So, bro, this was a steal. It's a 2013, like I said, 184,000 miles, not including the new engine that she put in a couple years ago. So this thing probably, most likely, doesn't even have 100,000 miles on the engine. So yeah, bro, this is crazy. Like I said, the worst part is the brakes and the ding in the back. It is dirt, like the seats are dirty, but that's nothing that I can't fix. I'm gonna just, you know, clean it out as best as I can. I think I should be able to get it, most of these stains and stuff out pretty simple. The trunk was real dirty. I'll show you all that. But other than that, bro, we got us a good one, man. So we on our way to the lot, and we finna clean up the car and try to take some pictures. I don't know. I'll probably just go ahead and post it like this. and say forget the tail light. I don't know. I'm trying to make this money back quick. So we're gonna see, man. So we made it back to the shop, and I just started about to get ready to clean this thing, or try to clean this thing up, attempt to. It was a bunch of stains and stuff on the seats. I didn't even show y'all beforehand. And I know the lighting is not the best in here. So I just kind of vacuumed it out a little bit. There goes some damage right there. That's about the only damage. The rest of the car is actually in pretty good condition. It does have a little bit of damage right here on the door, if you want to count that. But other than that, she rides and drives great. Like I told y'all, the brakes, horrible. But the car itself is actually pretty decent, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Hopefully we can get all these stains and stuff off of there. I seen on TikTok that people was buying this from Dollar Tree, bro, and cleaning out stains with this right here. It's cost $1.25. Do you know how much money I spend on like trying to get carpet cleaners and stuff to clean? So if this work, bro, I'm gonna let y'all know, man. I'm gonna let y'all know. I already kind of started using it, and it looked like it's working pretty good, but I'm gonna wait and see how it dries. And I'm gonna do, like I said, the rest of the seats and all that to give y'all my true, honest opinion on if it works or not. But for $1.25, to me, it already looks like it did a damn good job. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna see, man. But let me finish trying to clean up the car, and then see how good it turned out. And then I gotta try to get this bumper right here out. I'm gonna see if I can try to get it out as best as I can. Hopefully I can. It's gonna be a little bit hard because of where it's at. Usually if it's like down that way, I can kind of get it and go up underneath, but since it's so far up, I don't think that I'll be able to go underneath and get it, but I'm gonna try. We're gonna see if I can get it done. And if I can get that good, then I'm going to replace this. If I can't, then I'm going to leave it because there's no reason, and I'm just going to post it and sell cheap. If I can get this thing spick and span, I'm going to try to make some money off this thing, some real money. If not, I'm going to sell it for like $3,000. Still make $2,000 off of that, but if I can get this thing in great condition, I'm going to try to sell it for like $45,000 to $5,000, and we'll make either $4,000 or $3,000. So we'll see. But let me clean this thing up, man. Let's get it. All right, so change of plans. I'm gonna have to clean it up tomorrow. I gotta go get the my little heat extractor from my mama crib. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow because it is already starting to get dark, and she lives like 45 minutes away. So, but I am gonna try to see if we can get this dent out. So I think what I'll do is try to take this this tail light out, and then try to heat it up and go from that point. I think it'll work that way. Look at this trunk, bro. I don't know what the hell none of this is, but it's real simple. Like, it just got a couple of screws back there holding the light up. So I'm going to try to take out the light and see if I can pull it out. All right, so we got it out. We got to unclamp this. Got these bolts in my hand. Let's see. Oh, we got it. But you gotta unclip it. Got it out. Easy. So most likely I am just gonna go buy another one because that was simple. So put that in there, heat it up, and then I'll just kind of push it out. Let's see how this let's see how it go, man. So I'm gonna try to heat it up and then try to push it out from the inside now. So let me get the heat gun, and then we're gonna see how this goes. All right, I got the heat gun. Let's see if I can get this thing. Looks a little better. Not the best, but it's not the best. You can still kinda see it a little bit, but it looks 10 times better than it just being smushed in. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Kind of let it now let it cool off to form back into shape. I don't want to heat it up too much and then I just bend it all out of shape, because that can't happen. If you heat it up too much, the bumper gets really soft and then it'll kind of start looking deformed. So I'm gonna leave it like that, let it cool off, and then let it cool off for tonight. Tomorrow I'll come back, clean up the seats. I'm gonna grab a tail light for at the junkyard. They had one for like 70 bucks, $75, and then it should be ready to post. I don't know if I'm gonna change the brakes. I may change the brakes and just let it be everything just ready to go. Probably end up changing them just because why not. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. All right, so it's the next day. We went to the junkyard and got the tail light, as y'all can see. So we're gonna put that in, and then we cleaning out the seats. Let me show y'all the front seat. Came out pretty decent for what it was. And we're about to do the back seats right now. So that's what we're about to attempt to do. And like I told y'all, we're using this little thing I saw at the Dollar Tree on TikTok. Seems like it's working pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's worth $1.25. You got stains in your seats or even in the headliner. It seems like it'll take it off pretty easy. So all right, so while she work on the seats, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tail light in there, and we're gonna get this thing ready to sell. Tail light was pretty simple, I ain't gonna lie. It was just three bolts, and it came right out, and then of course you gotta unsnap it. So, oh, I forgot we gotta clean the goddamn trunk. But you know what? I'm gonna take it to the car wash and use their vacuums to clean out that damn mess. So we're finna put the tail light back in real quick. Alright, so we got the light in. It is a hell of a gap still right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up that part and try to put it back in as smooth as I can, just so it can try to line up, see how it goes. I'm not gonna force it too much because I don't want it to be just all messed up, but I gotta try to get that at least back in somewhat correctly. So we're gonna try to heat it up and see how it goes, because that's a heck of a gap. Y'all can see it right there. It's just ugly, like an eyesore. Then I gotta take it to go get cleaned up, and then it should be ready. Like I said, right after we're done with these seats. They're coming along pretty good too. So yeah, we're getting this thing ready, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we're getting it ready. So hopefully it'll be ready to sell. Let's see how everything line up with the other one. Yeah, it's all good. Like I said, it's still got like tape residue on this one, but it's not no big deal, bro. Long as it worked, already checked it out. So we just gotta get that back right, and then finish the seats, and we'll be ready to take pictures of this thing. Like I said, I'm gonna take it through the car wash first and try to vacuum the trunk out. The inside is vacuumed out pretty good, so we're good on that. So stay tuned. Let's try to finish the seats and then get that aligned as best we can. Hopefully we don't mess it up, man. Pray for me. All right, guys, so we finally finished everything. I just took it to the car wash and took some pictures of it. Like I said, we cleaned it up pretty decent. I could have did better on this driver's seat right there, but other than that, actually the seats came out damn good. So I may go back and do that driver's seat one more time. But other than that, man, seats look good. Cleaned it up. I can go back and redo that. Got the light in. That I couldn't really do nothing with that. I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't really giving in. So I just let it be, man. So like I said, I posted. Well, I took pictures of it. Now I gotta post it online. Probably post it for $39.99. Remember, we paid $1,000. That'll leave us with a profit of $3,000. That's only if somebody come and buy for that price. Which, to be honest, they should. You know, it runs and drives good. It does need brakes. I'm not going to change the brakes. I don't want to keep dumping a bunch of money into it. I already spent $80 on the light. The cheaper we got in it, the cheaper we can sell it for and make, you know, the max amount of money. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to post for $39.99 and just see what happens. Like I said, the woman said that the motor in it was changed out in 2025, like January 2024, 2025. So yeah, should have very low miles on it. So yeah, I mean, it runs and drives great. Engine wise, like I said, it does need a few little things, but for the most part, it seems good. It's worth $4,000 for shit show. Like, just look at it. Just look at it. You tell me this is not worth $4,000. So I'm gonna post it. That's about it, my guys. I'm gonna post it and see what happens. Y'all will see what happens probably next video or the next couple videos. We just got to see how long it takes us to actually sell the car. But that is the end of this video, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. Join the Grind Gang. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss a video. And like I said, man, we got this thing for $1,000. Hopefully we can make $3,000, man. We're going to see probably in the next episode, man. Peace.